Collaboration is key. With more teams working remotely than ever before, the need to connect for meetings is a must. If your team is distributed across the globe, you need the help of a tool like Calendly group scheduling that makes it easy to meet. Calendly team scheduling is the easiest way to bring your group together. In this sponsored tutorial, you'll learn how to use Calendly group scheduling to set up a team meeting quickly. Click the link in the description below to get a free 14-day trial of Calendly's advanced features. First, you'll need to add your colleagues to your Calendly team. Just go to the Account menu and click on Admin Management. Then click on the New User button. Now, on the Invite Users page, you can just paste in a list of the email addresses of everyone you want to add to your team, with each email address on a separate line. Your colleagues will be automatically invited to create a Calendly account if they don't already have one. Click Next. Now, it's time to select the event types. These are the styles of meetings that are included by default for each user you add to your Calendly team. You can always change these later, so feel free to click Finish for now if you're not sure. You've now added your colleagues to Calendly, but we can take it a step further and set up a specific project team. You can have different teams for different projects or business functions. In our example, we're going to set up a team for a job interview with an external applicant. On your Calendly homepage, click on Create and choose New Team. Type the names of the people you want to invite in the Team Members box and click on the associated name to add them to the team. For this example, I'll add 2 users to my team. Make sure to set your default time zone as well. Now, it's time to ask your team members to set their availability by clicking on Availability at the top of the Calendly dashboard. It's important that every user accurately enters their availability so that group scheduling works smoothly. With every user's availability added, Calendly helps to find the commonly available times so that meetings are scheduled seamlessly. Make sure each team member has set their local time zone, tick their available days, and then set available meeting times for each day. Okay, now let's set up a meeting for our new team. We want to create a group interview, but we want the external applicant to be able to choose the date and time based on the team's availability. Click Create again, and this time, choose Event Type. You'll see 3 event types. Round Robin is good for connecting an invitee to any available team member. Collective helps you schedule a meeting that works for all invitees. And Group is best for multiple invitee meetings, like a webinar or course. For this example, choose Collective. On the next screen, you can add an event name and description. Then you can set the location, such as a phone call or Zoom meeting, and choose which team members you want to attend. The final step is to set a date and time range for your meeting. Once you've set the range of acceptable dates, Calendly can choose available times for the meeting automatically, depending on each team member's individual availability. Okay, now you've set up a team meeting. Just set your event type to On, and the meeting details will be published to a live web page that you can share with a job applicant. Now all you have to do is share the URL of that page, and the person can choose a date and time that works for both them and for your team. It's simple. If you click View Live Page, you can see what they'll see. So that was how to create team meetings in Calendly. It's a simple process, but it's also very powerful. It really simplifies the process and saves you a lot of time and headaches. I hope you enjoyed this sponsored video. Click the link in the description below to sign up for a free trial and start using Calendly to set up your team meetings in half the time.